What's up, everybody? 305 Adventures here. This is a quick one. This is my local canal down at Hollywood, Florida. So in this episode, I recorded it at least 80% with my Galaxy 6 flip phone because some of my cameras took a crap. Memory cards died, one overheated, so this is a pretty cool one. So I decided to film the majority or the rest of the video with my phone, Galaxy 6 Flip. So I dropped out some bait as soon as I got there and got a couple hits or snags. Something was going on.
Oh, moonfish. No crap. Got a moonfish.
All right, not bad. So moonfish for my first 5 minutes of me getting there, and the sun will start to come up, and let's see what happens. So far, it was a very beautiful winter morning, nice and cool, actually. But the water was really nice. It was actually very flat. I actually wanted to go to the pier, but when I got to the pier, it was actually really, really windy. So I made a decisive decision to go to the local canal where I usually go. If it's very windy, I'll mess around Hollywood because it's sheltered. Very deep water in that canal, and it's lit up, very safe. Police station right around the corner. And if it's usually incoming tide, it's hit after hit after hit. It's actually pretty good. And there you have it. There's a jack. Super fun fight on light gear. Toss that little guy out and then on to the next. These jacks hang in groups usually, so if you catch one, there's a few more underneath them. So now I wanted to see if there was something else in the water. Another jack. Pretty good sized jack. Too bad. Let's get him in the water. So the bait that I'm mainly using is cut shrimp. Now that daylight is pretty much coming up, I can see way more activity in the water, more fishes going around, more current. So I'm pretty sure I was going to get a few more things going by right now. Another 4-gear scup. It's tiny. Well, that was pretty much it. I caught a few more other small fishes, way too small to even be worthwhile to show. But that was pretty much it. Started packing up and headed out home. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed the show. And check out my merch at my merch store. All proceeds purchases will go towards funding more adventures. I appreciate everybody. Have a great day.